Hi, my name is Robert Gaping Hole, and this is my student film about trees and plants and the environment and its magical beauty. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, just give me. Yeah, that's fine. Just give me the camera. This is Professor Pixie Bob, PhD. Would you like to take a minute to explain to the camera what your PhDs are in?
Oh yeah, sorry. So my PhD arts are in the art of the trees, and I must say I've also got some LSD degrees and some HD.
So could you tell us a little bit about this tree?
Oh, but of course, my little friend from the neighbors. This is the red maple tree, or you could call it the vagina tree, because it bleeds once a month. And you know what you need to know about these trees is that they're incredibly vicious, and if you just touch them, no! Isn't nature beautiful?
So tell me something about those flowers.
You see, they're very, very endangered, and there's only one specimen in the whole entire world, the one that you've just seen. Shut the camera off. Shut the camera.
So Professor Pixie Bob, tell me about this bridge. Who built this bridge?
Well, of course, nature built it, my son. You can see how elegant nature can be when it comes to building things. Sorry, I'm getting aroused.
Oh, wow! All these yellow trees from Asia, right? Aren't they?
Yes, you're right, my son. And they were imported with much importance to the agriculture of this country, such as enjoying yellow color. And since they were imported from Asia, you've got to greet them with a very honorable meeting. This forms solid tree. Do you hear that noise? Inside of it is liquid tree. And do you know what that is? Perfect. What you've got to know about nature is that you've got to drench yourself in it every now and then. Come trees, come and drench me with your juices. Oh yeah! Gonna become the biggest structures in existence, such as these, are also made by nature, and they are called trees.
Professor, I've got to ask you something. Some of these facts that you've been saying, they just don't really add up. I mean, I've been doing a bit of my own research, and so they just don't seem to say the same things that you say.
What do I hear? Do I hear doubt in nature? Do we hear doubt in the words of the wisdomless? I am
wildebeest.